How you all doing? My name's Manson. In the next 3 videos we're going to be talking about how to make your footage more cinematic. First of all, you might notice this little thing here. Playing airsoft last night, got shot in the head. Yes. My goggles, got my eyes, and then there's a little thin gap here, and I got shot straight between where the gap on my heart is and the goggles. So yeah, I spotted in this nice red spot. Video 1, we're going to be talking about how to slow down your footage. Video number 2, we're going to be talking about color grading your footage for a cinematic experience. And in video number 3, we're going to be talking about little black bars, like a little envelope that come down, just like these ones are coming into frame right now. Okay, we're going to talk how to make them, and yeah, hopefully your footage will become more cinematic in the future. So let's jump straight into the laptop, and I'm going to show you how to slow down your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. I've dragged in our footage into the bin down here. So first of all, if you double click on your footage, it opens up here. I don't know why it's gone to 10%. Let's make that 100. Oh, very close to my face. Scrub it to the front. Like that. Let's go 50. There we go. Right. So here's our footage in full speed. Brilliant. But we want to slow that down just to make it a little bit more cinematic. So how do we do that? So let's scroll back to the start. So here's our footage here. What we're going to do is we're going to go back down to our bin. We're going to right click, go to modify, interpret footage. This opens this window. And select assume this frame rate. I'm going to enter 24 into this box here. I've chosen 24 frames per second because that's going to really slow down the footage, but it's also going to make sure that there is no flicker and no stuttering in the footage. If you go below 24, you will start to see the stuttering in the footage, which I'll show you a little bit later on. If we input 24 frames per second in, we're going to go down to OK, leaving everything else the same. So now our footage has come up in the bottom left corner, and we'll see that now the bottom right hand side of it, there is extended time. So when we play our footage now, it's in slow motion, and that is basically how we change our footage into slow motion. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell at the side so you get notifications when the next video is coming. Like this video and leave some comments, guys, please. First video had quite a few views. If you haven't watched that video already, watch it. I'll post a link in the bio below, or the description of this video below. And yeah, please just keep watching my videos, and hopefully I'll get better as a YouTuber. You'll start enjoying it, and hopefully we'll start to get to know each other a little bit better.